Hey guys, welcome back to Tool Review Central. I know it's been a while since I've had a video out, so thought I'd go ahead and make one today. One common problem with Milwaukee tools is that the logos wear off very easily, and I came up with a solution, so I'm going to show it to you. So what you want to do is go get yourself one of these paint markers here. Find it online, any online retailer, and then just touch up the logo. I'm gonna do it with this here 3/8 ratchet. Already did it with my impact driver and my impact wrench, and it turned out decent. So we'll go ahead and do that. Be sure to shake the marker before use. I do not have to shake it because I already shaked it for the other tools. Make sure you clean the surface before applying this paint marker, like any paint. And there you have it, guys.